Right, so this prac we are investigating the energy content in food. For the prac you're going to need a Bunsen burner, heat-proof mat, you will need your type of food, there are 4 types of food, a balance so you can weigh the food, measuring cylinder, boiling tube, thermometer and our clamp stand. The first thing we need to do, then you need to measure 20 ml of water into your measuring cylinder, then you're going to pour it into your boiling tube. Try not to tip any out as you pour it. Okay. As we're looking at the 20 ml of our water, that is one of our control variables. We have to keep it the same for each type of food. And how are we going to control it each time? We are going to measure it using a measuring cylinder. Immediately then you need to place your thermometer inside your water and let it acclimatise for about 10 seconds, okay? And then you're going to record down your start temperature in your table. So we're looking at our first with the Whatsit. The starting temperature of our water is 20 degrees. So I'm going to write 20 degrees in my table. Then I'm going to grab my piece of food. We're starting with the Whatsit. And then we are going to measure the mass of our food. I have to tar this. Okay, so measuring my mass of my food, the mass of my Whatsit is 0.23 grams, which we need to record in our table. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take our food using the tongs, we're going to hold it in the corner so we can light it better using the Bunsen burner, but we can't actually get working. So I'm going to set it on fire using my trusty lighter. Once it's on fire, I'm going to place my food underneath, and it's going to go out.
How far should you place it underneath?
I'm going to place it 5 centimetres, and we would use a ruler to make sure we keep it the same, because it's another one of our control variables. And we're going to hold it underneath until the food has completely burnt out. If it does go out just like mine did, you just need to relight it and immediately place it back underneath. Once it goes out, just place the food down, and then immediately you need to record the end temperature. Don't take the thermometer out of the water because you will affect your results. You've got to read it in the boiling tube. So my end temperature is 23 degrees. So I can then fill up my change in temperature, which is the end temperature minus the initial temperature, which is 3 degrees.
What would you say are the biggest inaccuracies?
The biggest inaccuracies is that we're going to have heat lost from our Whatsit. First of all, when we're holding the Bunsen, like the Whatsit when it's on fire, the heat's not going to go straight to the boiling tube. It's going to be lost to the surroundings all the way around the boiling tube. Think of like a bonfire. You stand there, you feel the heat yourself. The heat is going to be lost. Also, we haven't got a lid on top, so also the heat is going to be lost from the top of the boiling tube. And could we guarantee my hand stayed exactly at 5 centimetres? No, so we could even have a stand, another clamp stand, which holds the food in place for you to improve it.